Have you ever wondered how holding a single position can really make you stronger than lifting weights? Isometric workouts test more than your strength. They test your endurance, discipline, and focus. Whether you are younger, older, a beginner, or a seasoned athlete, these exercises are for everyone. Transform your body and sharpen your mind with these 6 isometric exercises. No equipment, no fancy moves, just you, your body, and the will to hold on. Let's dive in. Number 1. The wall sit. Think sitting is easy. Try holding this position and feel your legs beg for mercy. The wall sit exercise is a lower body strengthening exercise that works your muscles through isometric contractions, or by holding a position without moving. It is a real quad burner and are generally used for building isometric strength and endurance in the quadriceps muscle group, glutes and calves. It works on your quadriceps, or the muscles in the front of your upper thighs. Wall sits are not complicated, but many people get them wrong. To do wall sit perfectly, start with your back against a wall with your feet shoulder width apart and about 2 feet from the wall. Engage your abdominal muscles and slowly slide your back down the wall until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Adjust your feet so your knees are directly above your ankles rather than over your toes. Keep your back flat against the wall. Hold the position for 20 to 60 seconds. Slide slowly back up the wall to a standing position. Rest for 30 seconds and repeat the wall sit 3 times. It helps to keep the leg muscles balanced, build muscular endurance. Number 2. The isometric push-up hold. An isometric push-up is basically a combination of a plank and push-up. However, it is tougher than a traditional plank or push-up. This isometric exercise is used by martial artists to improve their punching power and grappling strength. It will improve your chest strength and definition, and will also work your core, shoulders, and arms. This exercise has another benefit. Apart from making you physically strong, it will definitely make you mentally tougher. This is because you need to hold the push-up position for as much as you can. To do isometric push-ups, start in a push-up position. Your whole body builds a straight line. Push out from your shoulders and pull your shoulder blades apart. Tilt your pelvis back. Pull your belly button towards your spine. Keep tension in core and glutes. Remember the exercise, push-up. Hold is intended to be used as a hypertrophy, warm-up exercise. Isometric push-up holds offer several benefits, including increased muscle strength and endurance, improved joint stability, and better mind-muscle connection. Number 3. The glute bridge. There are tons of moves that work your butt out there, but the glute bridge exercise is one that really stands out from the rest. That's because this foundational move is versatile enough to do it all. A glute bridge, or pelvic lift, is a mid to lower body exercise that targets the back of your legs, hips, gluteal muscles, and torso. It works on your butt. Glute bridges are suited to people all fitness levels, including beginners. You don't need any equipment to do them, so whether you work out at home, the office, or a gym mat, they're quick and easy to fit into your routine. Here is how to do it. Start by lying on your back with your knees bent towards the ceiling and your feet on the floor, hip-width apart. Rest your arms by your sides with your palms down. Consider laying down a yoga mat to make yourself more comfortable. Lift your pelvis off the floor by pressing into the soles of your feet until your lower body is in line with your knees. Squeeze your glute muscles and keep your stomach flat to avoid overextending your spine. Hold the position for a few breaths, remembering to keep drawing your belly button down to keep your core activated. Then slowly lower back to the starting position. Repeat these steps for a few reps, then rest and do an additional set. For an additional challenge, you can also try a single-leg glute bridge variation. This will target one side of your glutes at a time with more weight. The glute bridge can increase the strength of your glutes, target your hamstrings, stabilize your core, and lower back health. Number 4. The split squat with ISO hold. The split squat with ISO hold is an isometric hold into the split squat exercise. Some people may refer to the split squat as the static lunge, as it looks very similar to the lunge, but you keep the rear foot back and engaged during your entire set of repetitions. The split squat is an excellent exercise for those looking to build single leg strength, and as a lunge variation can be a foundational exercise to include within your workout program. To do this exercise, set up in a split stance position with your hands by your side, looking straight ahead, and your back knee in contact with the floor. Drive through the front foot, just enough so that the back knee rises off the floor 1 to 2 inches. Hold for the desired amount of time. Repeat for the desired number of repetitions. This exercise used to strengthen the muscles of the leg, lower body strength, stability, improves body awareness, posture, and can be beneficial for injury rehabilitation. Number 5. The hollow body hold. When it comes to body weight core exercises, the hollow body hold is one of your best options. The hollow body hold, sometimes simply called the hollow hold, is a core strength exercise. Your ultimate goal in this move is to make your body resemble a banana. While lying face up, you'll engage your core, pressing your lower back into the floor and extend your arms overhead. Then you'll lift your arms, shoulders, and legs several inches off the floor, creating a curved banana shape. It works more than just your rectus abdominis. Along with your rectus abdominis, the hollow hold hits your transverse abdominis, plus your lower back, and a little bit of your obliques. Here is how to do it. Start by lying down on the floor, legs extended, arms by your sides. Practice contracting your abs by engaging your core and driving your lower back into the ground. Squeeze your inner thighs together to help initiate the move. There should be no room between the lower back and the floor. Keep your abs contracted and raise your legs 2 to 3 inches above the floor. Keep the lower back on the floor. Raise your head off the floor 1 to 2 inches and extend your arms overhead and behind you. Make sure you are pressing the lower back into the floor. Hold for 30 seconds or as long as possible before lowering the legs and shoulders to the floor. It also helps build strength and stabilization in your core and lower back muscles, improve your posture, and also prevent lower back pain. Number 6. The dumbbell curl. Hold. A static dumbbell curl is a free weights exercise and a variation of a bicep curl, where you hold the weight at a 90-degree angle while maintaining a contracted bicep dumbbell curl and static hold. It primarily targets the biceps, brachii, brachialis, and brachioradialis muscle. The only dumbbell curl and static hold equipment that you really need is the dumbbells. Here is how to do it. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, holding a pair of dumbbells with your palms facing forward, similar to a regular bicep curl. Slowly curl the dumbbell up to your shoulder, keeping your elbow close to your body. Pause at the top of the curl and maintain a 90-degree angle, squeezing your biceps. Slowly lower the dumbbell back down to the starting position, maintaining control. Repeat the curl with the opposite arm, holding the first arm at a 90-degree static hold throughout the set. After completing the reps with one arm holding static, switch to the other arm to finish the set. This exercise increases the time under tension, enhancing strength and endurance in the biceps and forearms.